What's up, YouTube? It's me, Right Lifestyle, back with another video. And I told y'all I was gonna start investing in myself. So I did. I went and got the GoPro. It's the Hero 7 or whatever the heck you see it. But yeah, it's actually over there charging. I went ahead and got like the little stabilizer and stuff like that. But I didn't read the fine print, and so I gotta go back to the store because you gotta buy a memory card, right? So it doesn't come with a memory card, which is something I hate. But this is only temporary. Well, it's not temporary, I'm gonna mount it, but I'm gonna use that as my primary means of recording other than my phone. And which the iPhone 11 is what I got. It's good, the Pro. But I'm gonna go back to Walmart, grab a memory card, and probably another battery, because y'all know I be out all the time. So, but this not a video about cars, nothing like that. So if you get bored, you can go ahead and exit this video, because I'm gonna get clips of me driving or whatever, but it's not really, nothing's going on tonight, I don't believe. So but we are finna go ahead outside and hit this good old cold start. No, it's not even a cold start, I lied. But we're gonna hit this auto start for y'all. Swear that never gets old. It never gets old. I don't care. Judge me all you want. It never gets old. We go ahead and we're gonna auto start. Go ahead, we're gonna open the roof. That's that top back. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna head up to Walmart, man, so we can get this stupid camera, a memory card, and an extra battery. So I'll see y'all when I get to the store. You be in line forever for no reason to get help or anything. One of those moments. I got the memory card. See how this goes. And I got another battery and adapter, so damage wasn't too bad. $42. Could have been, oh, what they be doing at Walmart, boy? They be getting it in over here, bro. Look at the old school. That's what I'm talking about. We're always getting something up here. Nemesis ready. Look at Nemesis already. I know you're ready, kid. So that's pretty much it for this video, y'all. I went in there. It took like 20,000 years. I was gonna record longer, but my phone battery is boo-boo. Like, it's about to dizzy. You already know how that go. I be forgetting to charge it at night, so, but it's cool. I don't talk to nobody anyway. But I thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Or this, for a little while. I'm gonna go home, go ahead and try to get this camera set up, see if I can start messing with it or whatever. So hopefully the next time y'all see the video, it'll be on the GoPro. You see how I rhyme? No, I won't stop the flow. You know. Hey man, it's me, Right Lifestyle, checking out with another video. Swipe.